Hi, welcome to NDTV Swirlster. Today we have something very exciting lined up because I have with me the Mac Daddy of hair tools, that is the Dyson Airwrap. This right here is the brand new limited edition red Airwrap. It comes in this case with all the attachments included inside. In this video, I am going to show you a demonstration of how all the attachments work, as well as my thoughts on how it fares on different types of hair, as well as whether it's worth it. So keep watching to know all the details about the red Dyson Airwrap. The pre-styling dryer. I found that this is a very thoughtful addition to this kit because it takes care of the hair drying aspect of your hair before you move on to the styling bit. It ensures that you do not need a separate blow dryer when you have this simple head. It's also very well crafted, and unlike other blow dryers which tend to be very bulky and long in the front, this is rather small, so it ensures you can get into the smaller areas of the body, especially around the neck area when you want to dry, and even holding it in a single arm is very easy when you use something very small and lightweight like this with the wand to dry your hair. The round volumizing brush. This is a great addition in tandem when you are blow drying your hair because it adds a great deal of volume. So especially if you have thin hair or hair that tends to fall flat, if you want larger voluminous curls in your hair or even just voluminous shape, this is a great pick. It also has again a very thoughtfully created cool tip, so when you are styling your hair you can hold this without the fear of your hands touching a hot surface and burning. Soft smoothing brush. This one right here has the red tip bristles, and I found that it works very well as a precursor to styling because it does remove the static and the frizz from the hair, but for more specific styling you probably will need to use another attachment along with this. The firm smoothing brush. This is easily one of my favorite attachments from this kit because not only does it smoothen the hair, I've also noticed how it allows the hair's natural texture to come through. So even at some point in the day after styling, I did find my natural waves coming in, but none of the frizz came along with it, which is something that anyone would want in any kind of a natural looking hairstyle. The 30mm barrels. These barrels, when used with the wand, can very easily add curls to the hair. I found that with shorter hair lengths like my own, it not only does the curling process extremely easily but also very quickly, and since it has the Coanda effect to automatically curl, you almost spend no time hairstyling with this and also get rid of a lot of frizz in the curling process. The 40mm barrels. Like the narrow barrels, these also are to be used with the wand from the kit, and more than a curl, I find that they add waves to the hair, very large luscious waves which can be opened up and to give a very natural looking hairstyle that looks like you've put no effort into it. Again, it does so very quickly and effectively without adding any frizz to the hair. Now that you have seen our demonstration and our run through of all the attachments as well as our thoughts on all of them individually, here is what NDTV Swirlster has to say about the Dyson Red Airwrap Complete. First off, I think it's a very complete kit that the name suggests itself. From the wand to all the attachments that are included within, it is very thoughtfully designed. I even like that the wand has buttons right here, so when you are holding it, the buttons can be shifted with only your fingers. You don't need to make a motion of your hand moving. That's very thoughtfully designed, I think, and very creatively created, so that you don't need to adjust yourself too much when you are styling your hair. all of the attachments are quite compact and they aren't bulky. So when you are styling your hair, whether it is a pre-styling dryer or the curlers, even the volumizing brush, none of them are too large and difficult to maneuver in any part of your hair. You can do that very easily, even with a single hand that you are using this wand to hold. Like I mentioned earlier, I think the curling barrels are the standout of this hairstyling kit, and I think anyone would agree that they are beautifully created. Using the Coanda effect, they automatically pull the hair in and curl it automatically. So even using one hand to curl your hair is possible. That's another aspect, I think, of this hair styler that is beautifully thought out. It cuts down on the effort that you need to style your hair. Another attachment that I personally like very much is the volumizing styling brush. It adds a great deal even to a normal blow drying process and adds a lot of volume without too much effort. I really like the firm smoothing brush. I think it's one of my favorite attachments from this kit because it allows my own natural waves to show through without allowing any frizz or static to pass. The kit overall is very bulky, I will say that. So if you think of traveling with this, you might have to account for an amount of weight if you want to carry the entire kit, or it would be preferable if you pick out the attachment you want along with the wand and carry it that way. I would suggest that would be a lighter way to carry this kind of a kit and the preferable attachments from it. It also has this kind of a board which is for keeping down when you are styling and to keep your attachments on it. Again, a very thoughtful addition to this entire kit. There are many details, and I think they are very well thought out details when this whole kit has been created. This hair styler, which is in the nickel and red color, it differentiates itself from the other regular Dyson color, which is nickel and fuchsia, and I think the red really stands out. So that's a beautiful addition to this kit. So if you are looking at the creative aspect of why to pick up this hair styling kit, I think the red really looks beautiful when added to the nickel gray color of it. One of the largest discussed points when it comes to Dyson products is definitely the price, and that cannot go ignored because this kit in particular is approximately rupees 44,900 at retail price, and that is a very expensive price point for a hairstyler. There's no doubt about it. There is a very expensive price for a hairstyler like this, but you have to think of, I think when you are buying it, you have to think of what you are getting exactly. This isn't a regular hairstyling kit. I've noticed that with all the attachments that are included, it also accounts for cutting out frizz and static to a great deal. So whether it is smoothing your hair, whether it is curling it, or whether it is volumizing, there is no frizz getting through, and I really like that. I like that aspect. So whatever your hairstyle, it cuts down on that. When it comes to the number of hairstyles that you can create with this kit, there are a whole lot. It gives you so much of variability. So even if you are the type of person who likes to vary your hairstyles, you will need only this one single kit to add it to your collection. You won't need anything else because of the amount of attachments. As well, as I mentioned before, the pre-styling dryer is also an additional attachment, which is a great idea because you don't need an extra blow dryer added to all of this. That is something to think about when you are thinking of the price, the amount of attachments that come in, the features that it offers, as well as the additions to this product that differentiates it from any hairstylers. But at the same time, even though it is very expensive, you cannot compare it to another hairstyler because at the end of the day, it is a very premium product. It's the same way you would compare like a designer car or a designer bag and on how it is priced. A lot of times when it comes to premium designer items, you don't think about their functionality too much. It's also a brand name. In the same way, this is a premium product and cannot be compared to any other hairstyler. So I think it is in a class of its own, and it's very beautifully created, it's very thoughtfully done. It accounts for a lot of hairstyling tips, tricks that you can add to your own routine when you have this hairstyling kit. I've also used this hair styler on my hair as well as on another hair type, which is a curly hair type. My own hair type is wavy. The other hair type that I tried it on was curly. Both of the types were thick hair but differentiated it in texture. I found that this works especially well when the hair type tends to be more towards straight and wavy rather than curly. It does work well on curly hair, but it does need more time to get the same kind of effect. It works beautifully on straight and wavy hair and takes to it very easily. It doesn't take too much time even when styling the hair. And I have noticed that they recommend that it's used when your hair is slightly damp, but I have used it even when my hair is bone dry, and even with another styling product used like a pre-styler, and it does really well even when I use that. So it doesn't need too much of thinking beforehand when you are using it. You can use it any other way and it fares just as well. Those are our thoughts on this hair styler today. We hope you like them.